Alright, YouTube, this is a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and as I opened the hood and I tried to close it back, it wouldn't close. So what I went ahead and do is, I'll show you something real quick. So I slammed the hood a couple of times and it wouldn't close at all. So after a few slams, I noticed that it won't close. And I tried to look it up and I couldn't find anything. As you can see, this is all rusted, all this parts. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll try to point it out to it. This latch right here, right there, there's my flathead. This little metal part was on this side, right here. So I went ahead and tried to move this back a little bit. Use my flathead, just push it back to the left. That little part right there is this one. So I hope you find this video helpful, and it was as simple as that. Just a little slash misplaced. All you have to do is just push it back to the left side and you should be able to close your hood. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. I'll catch you in the next video. So after a couple of slams, it wouldn't close. After a few kicks, it wouldn't close. So I'll show you right now. Now we're able to close it now. There you have it.